Just short video to show this Dyson V6 animal. Serial number MJ5 UK HGS3401A. Filter fully cleaned, head fully cleaned, and the bin. Comes with a crevice tool, combination tool, genuine Dyson power supply, and wall mount. The head I've completely taken apart, cleaned, and then put back together. The wand does have a couple of scratches, you can see there. So, I'll show it working. Now, a Dyson, if you didn't know, has two modes. That's economy mode. When the blue light's on, that's boost mode. It does drain the battery significantly. This has a brand new 6400 battery. So it should last a lot longer. To empty, simply place over a bin when it's full. Tip your rubbish out. As such. Charge. Simply plug in. Place as such. The blue light will come on. When it goes green or off, it's fully charged. I do have other ones of these in stock. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.